Hello friends, in today's session I am going to introduce you a beautiful short story by Raja Rao, The Cow of the Barricades. I have already covered Raja Rao's novel, The Serpent and the Rope. Let's see today The Cow of the Barricades. The Cow of the Barricades shows us the impact of Gandhi's doctrine on the small town in South India. It deals with the sacrifice of the cow in the national struggle of India. Raja Rao wrote this story in 1938. The story is remarkable for the characters such as Gauri, the cow, and the master. With this brief introduction, let us jump to our topic. MCQ round, the cow of the barricades. Number 1. Which of the following is true to Gauri in Raja Rao's short story, The Cow of the Barricades? Options are A. It is the name of a cow. B. She comes every Tuesday. C. She has special affection for the master. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 2. Gauri used to take just a handful grain given by dashes. Options are A. The master. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. One of the disciples of the master. D. Sheikh Jamanlal Dwarakchand. Correct option is A. The master. Number 3. What would the people do to the food left untouched by Gauri? Options are A. They would take it as prasad. B. They would throw it in the river. C. They would feed it to their dogs. D. They would neglect it. Correct option is B. They would throw it in the river. Number 4. Who called Gauri a strange creature? Options are A. The master. B. The disciples of the master. C. Sheikh Jamanlal Dwarakchand. D. The hawkers. Correct option is B. The disciples of the master. Number 5. Where did the master's disciples go in their search of Gauri? Options are A. Bottom Street. B. Mango Street. C. The Genie Mill. D. The Weaver's Lanes. E. All these places. Correct option is E. All these places. Number 6. As the master sees, Gauri is dashes. Options are A. His sister. B. His mother. C. His sister-in-law. D. His battle-armed mother-in-law. Correct option is D. His battle-armed mother-in-law. Number 7. Leaving the court master, Gauri nibbled the hair off only dashes. Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Lakshmi. C. Sheikh Jamanlal Dwarakchand. D. One of the red men. Correct option is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 8. Why did the disciples of the master put kumkum on Gauri's forehead? Options are A. They took her as a messenger of Great Mother. B. Kumkum made her look more attractive. C. The master had asked them to do so. D. The reason was something different. Correct option is A. They took her as a messenger of Great Mother. Number 9. Pick out from the following the head of the workers in the town. Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. The master. C. Sheikh Jamanlal Dwarakchand. D. Gauri. Correct option is B. The master. Number 10. In which of the following street the biggest barricade was erected by the workers? Options are A. Surya Narayana Street. B. Cotton Street. C. Weaver's Lines. D. Mango Street. Correct option is A. Surya Narayana Street. Number 11. The bullet of the general of red government hits Gauri in dashes. Options are A. Belly. B. Thigh. C. Chest. D. Head. Correct option is D. Head. Number 12. Who of the following buys houses on the either side of the barricades? Options are A. The master, B. Seth Jamanlal Dwarak Chand, C. One of the workmen, D. The carpenter. Correct option is B. Seth Jamanlal Dwarak Chand. Number 13. In Raja Rao's story, who of the following attempts to prevent the battle? Options are A. Lakshmi, B. Gauri, C. Master, D. One of the workers. Correct option is C. The master. Number 14. What does the master do when his followers remain firm on their decision to fight with the raid government? Options are A. Resigns the presidency, B. Joins the raid government, C. Leads the followers to the battle, D. Abandons the town forever. Correct option is A. Resigns the presidency. Number 15. During the period of restrictions in the town, the good children carried dashed scarves. Options are A. Blue, B. Blue and red, C. Red, D. White. Correct option is A. Blue. Number 16. Why did the master pursue his men not to build barricades? Options are A. They were going to create hurdles for them. B. He was an agent of the government. C. To erect barricades was too costly. D. He had a fear of much bloodshed. Correct option is D. He had a fear of much bloodshed. Number 17. During the period of siege of the town, Gauri dashed us. Options are A. Came every day. B. Came every Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. C. Came as usual. D. Didn't turn up. Correct option is A. Came every day. Number 18. The town in the story is situated dashed us. Options are A. On the bank of the river, B. On the hill, C. In the valley, D. On the plain. Correct option is B. On the hill. Number 19. What is called a vehicle of God among the lowly men? Options are A. Gauri, B. The carpenter's Baswanna bulls, C. Fish, D. Crocodile. Correct option is A. Gauri. Number 20. Who of the following erected the statue of Gauri? Options are A. Seth Jamanlal Dwarak Chand, B. The master, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. One of the followers of the master. Correct option is A. Seth Jamanlal Dwarak Chand. Number 21. What did the people do to honor Gauri? Options are A. They erected her statue, B. They offered her flowers, honey, sweetmeat, etc. C. They offered her fresh spring grass. D. Did all these. Correct option is D. Did all these. Number 22. Why the carpenters were gayer after the death of Gauri? Options are A. The town children did not want their Baswanna bulls then. B. Gauri had provided new sons to them. C. They had a grudge about Gauri. D. Reason is something different. Correct option is A. The town's children did not want their Baswanna bulls then. Number 23. Who chants Gauri's of Gorakhpur in the story? Options are A. Hawkers, B. Carpenter, C. One of the workers, D. The master. Correct option is A. Hawkers. Number 24. The town in the story regains peace with the death of Dastas. Options are A. The master, B. Seth Jamanlal, C. Gauri, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct option is C. Gauri.